Yes, so if you look at the traditional software, we have lots of history at seeing all the insecurities. The first problem being the portable media, right? Users want to work anytime from anywhere. And because of that, they're taking that data with them, either via emailing it to their Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo account, or putting it onto a USB stick or CD, DVD. And when they do that, they've compromised your security. You've lost all control. By putting the data in Google Apps or in the cloud, you then have the option to get access to that data anytime, anywhere, without putting it on the media. The second aspect is in operations, patch management. Traditional servers and applications and operating systems all requires patches, which means security professionals have to install patches on a regular basis, some on ad hoc and some on a monthly. And takes companies between 25 to 60 days, according to the statistics, to deploy those patches. That's 25 to 60 days that you're vulnerable to a known vulnerability, not to even mention zero-day exploits or not knowing if a patch is applicable to you or not. The patching problem completely goes away when you move into the cloud. And we don't have that problem because we have a very homogeneous environment. So we can update or patch our environment in a uniform, consistent manner, unlike most organizations that have different flavors of everything. And the third reason why I think cloud computing is as secure, if not more secure, than the traditional environment is because of the benefits that we get, the economies of scale. So for example, we process billions of emails every day. So we can block spam, virus, botnets all in the cloud before they come to our clients' environments. And because of the billions, we get to see new viruses, new attacks, and block our users without them having to install or update any software. I think in the next year, we're going to see a lot more businesses moving to Google Apps. Already today, we have 3,000 businesses signing up and moving to Google Apps every day. So we have a total of 1.75 million businesses using Google Apps. I think on-premise software is not going to go away, but the interesting innovation is going to be in the cloud. For example, in 2008, we released 80 major features to our customers. The first quarter of 2009, we released 30 major things like Google Video Chat or Google Message Translate. These are features that customers got for free with no additional cost, as well as did not have to install any software. And that's one of the benefits of the cloud, is that you get to use the latest and greatest technologies without having to upgrade, without having to educate your users and having to go through that heavy, steep learning curve, which is why many companies still that are in the traditional environment are running messaging and collaboration suites that are 3 or more years old. And we have some of the world's class security experts working at Google, people that have come up with innovative research around malware, around browser security. They're looking at the existing threats and new and impeding threats that haven't even come to fruition yet. I think we all as security professionals realize that threats are increasing, that the scale and sophistication of attacks are increasing, that there's a lot of money to be made, and we have to make sure that we're staying 1 or 2 steps ahead of them and continue to do so.